Welcome to my tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe me. This video had zoomed most of the important part, and the whole script is displayed at the end of my video. Hi everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today our target is to do toggle button for timer. Okay, now we start the debug first. Okay. Today our target is like this. Okay, first we click the first click of timer here. Okay, we click timer. Okay, it will start 1, 2, 3. Okay, we stop at 4. Then pause. Okay, we click this again, the timer again. Okay, it will be 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we stop again. Pause. Okay, then we click again. 9. Then this is our target for today. So how we do that? Please follow me. Okay, first, this is what I do. So we need to do again a new one. So we right click and then you can create another new. You can create the scene here. Okay, scene over here. Then you can put time. Okay, this timer is my work, and then okay, we start with time here. Double click it, then click to main camera, double click it, double click the main camera, it will be here. So now we need to create a button. First you can go to game object and then select UI, then button. So you can't see button over here, you can just double click the button. So the button is out of the camera. You can just move it using W. Okay, you can click W in your keyboard, or you can click this button. Okay, here you drag this to the camera so you can edit very well. Okay, you can zoom it with your mouse wheel. Okay, here it goes. You can just edit the text here. You can just put timer. Okay, for this timer, now we need to create another text, the UI text over here. So you can just use the same method, game object and then UI, then text. Okay, here is your text. You can just drag it to upper here. Okay, make it to be time. Okay, now you can change the font size to 20. Then make it clear to make it into white color so you can see it very clear. So now you can get the times over here. Okay, first of all, you need to start with the timer. How you do that? You can just create this one. You change object, the name for object first. You click the text, this one. Okay, change to text timer. Okay, now the text timers is over here. Okay, now you can create the function of this one. This is empty, I think. Okay, we delete it, then we create again. Right click and then create C# script. Okay. Hmm? A bit lag. Okay, over here you can just sorry, a bit lag. You can just right click it and then create. Okay, for C#, then you can just make it to tutorial time. Okay, tutorial time. So the tutorial time, you can just double click it, open the mono developer to change the script. Okay, here is our script here. First of all, you need to put the using Unity engine.ui. If not, your UI cannot function well. It will be an error. This one I don't need it. I can just delete it. And then for the update, okay, now we set the time first. Initialize the float timer equal to 0. This one should be float because this float, the timer will be assigned to a Unity timer, then that one is a float number. Okay, so this is timer equal to time dot delta time. For this one, I need to plus equal to, because this one is same like this. Timer equal to time dot delta time plus timer. Okay, these both lines are same meaning. So now we need to change our text, so we need to do another function, public void okay, change text. Here we put change our text to, okay, we need to initialize our text first, so the text will be public text my text equal to null. Okay, first our my text here dot text is equal to, okay, this one is string timer plus timer. This one is a parameter over here. Okay, then you can, from the update here, you can always change your text here. Then you can check text function here. So when it's call once per frame, then means that the change text will be called this one to change this timer always. So okay, this is our text. You don't be worried that the script will be display again at the end of my video. If you don't want to see my video, you just need my script, you can just skip to the end of my video. Okay, from this step on, what you can do, you need to make your button function. First, your script need to insert into main camera. Okay, just now our script is tutorial time, so you can just drag your tutorial time to main camera here. So in your inspector, main camera there, in your, you click main camera inspector, so you can find your tutorial time here. Your script is inserted here, or you can just use add component also can. So the my text, you need to assign it to, okay, this one I need to assign the object. You tell that the text you just now you mentioned is need to assign to text timer. Okay, so for text timer here, okay, text timer over here. Then you need to assign your buttons here, but you remember if you click this one, okay, this one is enable, means that if the button is no, even you didn't click your button, the timer also will function. You can see like this. Okay, it will function like this. So if you don't want this, you can just unclick this one. Make sure this is unclicked, so then your this script only will run if the button is clicked. So just now we saw many float number that I don't want. You can just change it to integers. Okay, what I like to do like this. Integers timer equal to integer timer. Okay, now this integer timer you can just paste over here and then you initialize it in front of it. So first you can just put integer, this one equal to 0. Okay, the script will be in behind, so don't worry. Here you can see my script over here. So if you want follow me, then okay, you can just do this. Okay, I delete this. Okay, this is the function, this one using, okay, and then this one. Okay, this one will be have integer here. Okay, we click again, we see the result. Okay. Oh, okay. Just now we didn't save it. Okay, so the timer is over here. Okay, now we need to make our time to button function. Okay, you click the button here. Okay, now we tell them the script you add when the time on click. Okay, you add add to the list here. Okay, now you need to put the object to main camera there because our script is over main camera. And then now the functions is going to tutorial time. Okay, the tutorial time here you can just use this bool enable. Then you click it, means that the button it will enable this function. And then in your main camera here, you need to make sure this one is unticked. Okay, so now you can start again. Okay, click a timer, then the timer only will start. But now you click okay, no stop. So you need to add another script to tell them to stop when I click the button. Now you can edit your tutorial over here. You can create another function here. Okay, stop timer. Okay, this count is for yeah, why it's auto pass. Okay. Okay, means that when the button is clicked every time the counter is plus. So this counter you need to assign it integer counter equal to 0. It should be in integer. So for this one, if counter modulus 2 equal to 0, means that if stop time equal to 1, it will stop if the second time every second you click the button, then the timer will be stopped. Else if stop time equal to 0. Okay, this one is red color arrow appeal because you didn't assign it in your initialize. Here you can just put integer, this one equal to 0. Okay, done. Now what you need to do is, okay, for this one, you take this one, you can just sorry, just need parameter, you can just copy if stop time. Okay, if stop time, if statement, if stop time equal to 0. Okay, the change tag, it will be change the text to timer, else the change tag, this text will be pause. Okay, else it will be write the text with pause. Okay, now we try our script here. You can see you do until here. From the update here, okay, so like this you can see my code easily. Debug it. Okay, no error. So you can just click this debug button. Okay, it will same because you haven't assigned another click this button. So for this one, you need to click the button. Okay, from this one, you need to add another list here, another function here. You just click, do the same thing, main camera. Okay, this one you can just click tutorial time, but with stop timer. So the timer will be stopped once you click, then the counter will be add. Okay, this one, okay, you can see our coding here. Stop timer is called, and then the counter plus mean that every time you click one time, the counter is +1. Click another, then 2 times, click 3. So every 2 times it's equal to 0, then it will be stop the time. If not, okay, it will continue our time. So here, now you can see our timer here. Okay, it will be pause. Okay, but see,